What's up guys, how you all doing? For today's video I'm going to show you 10 more very weird products from Amazon. Let's see what I got this time. This is ultimate dud mug, I guess. I don't know, this is just cool, could be for anybody. This is high quality. Again, every time I buy funny things I think they're gonna be junk. But check this out, this is a mug made out of metal completely. And look, we got right here tactical rails, so you can put in some weird stuff on it. So there you go. Wow, no way! Check this out. This looks like a scope. Yep. So how it works, we loosen it up and then we lock it in and make this tight. Super simple. I'm pretty sure this is hand wash only. Boom, tactical mug. Check this out. 2 more rails, you can put in anything. Looks like one of those M4, M16, but imitation. Nothing really works on it. I guess there's a little fidgety thing, kind of works. I don't think it does anything. It's just for fun, clicking it in there. That's it. So it's a complete imitation, replica type of stuff. And look how big this mug is. And it's all metal. Wow, I love it. Amazing. This is gonna be my favorite mug. Next I got here Mars dust globe. How cool is that? Instead of a snow globe, this is a dust globe. Let's unbox it. Also found it on Amazon. This is actually cool. I wanna keep it, I think. I don't know, let's see what's inside. Okay. Okay, before we shake it up too much, let's look at that. So there's an adult Martian and a baby Martian. This is cool in a spacesuit, astronauts. And yeah, looks like glittery type of stuff. So I love it how it says Mars. Let's shake it. Or put it upside down. Oh wow, no way, look at that. That looks like magic. That's a glittery type of substance inside there, but it does look like some kind of super cool dust. Wow, this is amazing. I can't believe it. You know, for those people who love Mars and planets and space, definitely would love this as a present. And you see, because it's white, they can barely see the cosmonaut. Look at that. The ice caps over here. Highly professional. There is right here some kind of note for those people who are interested. Can read that, just pause the video. But yeah, every time you just flip it over, look at that. That's highly satisfying item. That glitter inside of it and some kind of liquid looks so beautiful. And it will slowly settle, so it's kind of fun to watch. Whoa, so cool. Next I have here a pretty unique invention. I don't know if it's new, but I've never seen before. This right here, magnifying glass for your cell phone. So make your watching sports or movies or YouTube videos on your phone a lot bigger. So looks like you grab this and fold it over. I don't know. And then flip this out. Then put cell phone down here. This then folds up. Boom. Okay. And that way we have here magnified screen. Let's lay it a little bit to the side maybe. And there you go. This is what it's going to look like. How weird is this? So now you have here a mini screen that is magnifies it and turn out to be a very big screen. Kind of funny. Distorted a little bit, so there you go. Small screen, much bigger screen. Such a unique gadget, that's for sure. There's so many of them. I guess instead of buying a tablet, you can just buy one of these things and watch movies on that. Let's see which one would be the best. More sophisticated, I guess. There you go. Whoa, that glass is much clearer, seems to be. Okay, let's compare it. Yeah, you see there is more reflection to it. You see that circles over here? That one almost don't have any circles. And there you go, you can adjust it. This is hilarious. I know there is quite a bit of light. Let me turn off all the lights so that way we have no reflection. Wow, in the dark it actually looks way better. And again, camera kind of does not give it justice. I do not see these circles as much in real life. Oh, so camera kind of picks up more glare to it. But yeah, big screen, and then we look over a tiny screen. Big screen. You see what I'm talking about? There you go, that's probably would be the best way, the camera angle. But it is what it is. And I have here one more. Let's cut it out. Oh no, that's something else. This is so weird. For some reason you can buy bloody cutting board. This is nice, this is glass, because whenever you use cutting board, the wood chips or plastic cutting board pieces can get into your food. So glass is a good idea, but this is a cutting board shape out of like looks like blood stains. I don't know if it's very appetizing to cook on a bloody, what do you call it, cutting board, unless you're cutting a bunch of meat, so might as well. This is kind of awesome. Anyways, let's see what else I have. I got right here, pretty cool gadget, not so much weird, but still very unique. Wow, way bigger than I thought, that's for sure. So it's a little step for your SUV and such. If you have a Jeep, that could be very useful. Let's go put it to the test. Simple instruction goes into your doorknob right here on your car. Luckily I have a doorknob like that too. Okay. Wow. Very nice. But the idea of it, I guess it's supposed to be that tall. In case you have a rack, look how nice it is. Now I'm above this rack, if I had one, above the waist line, and I'm tall, so for average person you'll be a little bit less here. And the cool thing is, look, I can almost put two legs on it, work on my tinsel right here, whatever, grab it, done, come off. Very cool, pretty awesome survival gadget right here in a way too, or camping. If you have a rack, putting bikes on and such things like that, this could be very useful. I like it a lot. Next product I got right here, a horn to go mug. How weird is this? This is one of a kind for sure. Wow, this is a lot bigger than I expected. So obviously very cool mug right here, very famous, beautiful, looks like a horn, big, will hold a lot. This silicone rubber, so that way you can put it over. Boom, that is funny. This is what they tell you what's going to look like. I guess it's cool by the pool, I don't know. But also you can use this as a stand. There you go, you can buy a horn mug if you would like so. Very, very big and very high quality packaging. What do you guys think? I'll stick with my mug over here, I like this better. But nevertheless, this is super high quality, I like it too. This right here, funny bag, but this is supposed to be funny bag cooler. So very, very different. Let's open it all the way. Wow. No way, check this out. So really insulated, and it comes with one of these, some kind of gel cold packs, the cooler funny pack. So one of a kind cooler funny pack, and on the inside of it there's two straps, so that way you freeze it. This gel, I don't know if it's gonna turn into ice or not, but it's supposed to get really cold, and that way you can stick in, I don't know, maybe like 2 cans of soda. Let's see if I can show you something. There you go, there's a bottle. It can barely fit a bottle, so maybe just a sandwich inside here, maybe only like 4 cans of sodas you can fit, maybe even less. Put it in, so like a personal cooler. Cannot stick in a lot of stuff in here, but what's so cool about here, if you're going for the walk to the beach, you put your cell phone, wallet, keys in here, put it over your neck like that, there you go. You have all the valuables in here, cell phones, keys, and couple of drinks and a sandwich. So you're gonna go hike on the beach, you can walk around either like that or put it over your waist. But yeah, one of a kind. First ever fanny pack cooler. That's really weird. We got here paparazzi glasses. Remember back in the day they would be putting this thing over your face to cover it up, who it is, over the videos. So this is what it looks like. Okay, let's put it on. Wow, this is funny. Way better quality than I thought. I thought it would be some kind of plastic piece of junk. It looks pretty nice, and you know what? I might be wearing it by the pool. This is funny. But yeah, now you don't know who I am. You can recognize me. That's the idea of it as a joke. Anyways, let's see what else I have. For the next gadget, this right here, a spoon coaster, but it looks like a splash. So I don't have a spoon on me, but you know, you stir your soup or whatever, then it gets really greasy or whatever, the soup on it. Instead of putting it on the table, make a mess on the table, you put the spoon over here to keep all the grease inside here. It looks like a splash already. If you like weird stuff like that, you can get it on Amazon.